Hello dear students, very good morning to you all. Welcome to lecture number 2. In the last class I taught the syllabus for the subject named C programming for problem solving. As you know already, for the entire semester I teach you how many modules? 5 modules. In today's class I start module number 1 for you. In this module we learn computer basics as well as we start C language also. What is the title of module number 1? You can see the title of module number 1 here. Introduction to computer hardware, introduction to computer software. That means in this module we learn what is computer first. Then we discuss components of computers. Then we discuss features and applications of computers. Then we discuss block diagram of a computer. Then we discuss input devices, output devices, what is software, types of software, computer network, advantages and disadvantages of computers also we discuss, no problem at all, as well as we start C language. First of all we learn what is a computer. What is computer? Module number 1, introduction to computers. Now I am asking simple question, what is a computer? If I ask a question like what is a computer, I may get different answers from students. I am asking this question to first student A. Dear student A, can you tell me what is a computer? He did not answer. He or she didn't answer. Means you are not giving answer to my question, means definitely you score 0 marks. Now I am asking same question to all of you. What is a computer? Student B is telling, sir, computer is one device. Oh, very good. Second student answer is better than the first student. A little bit I am happy with this answer, like computer is a device. Oh, it is a non-living being. Oh, very good. I am asking same question to the third student. What is a computer? I am getting improved answer. Computer is an electronic device. Oh, very good. It is improved answer. Oh, it is electronic device. Yes, you know more, because we are surrounded by mechanical devices also, electronic devices also. It is one of the electronic device. Oh, very good. It is improved answer. I am asking same question to the next student. What is computer? Next student is telling me again improved answer. Computer is an electronic, but it is having the capability to do calculations, sir. Computing. Oh, very good. It is having the capability to do calculations as per the given inputs. We give some inputs to a machine, sir, and it will process, sir, and it gives us results, sir. Oh, that is in the form of output, sir. That's why we use the word compute, sir. Compute means calculate, sir. Compute means calculate, sir. Oh, he is giving very good answer. Compute means calculate. That's why I am telling computer is an electronic computing device, sir. Oh, very good. You are so intelligent. Computer is an electronic, but it is having the capability to do calculations. Can you give me some example, dear student D? Yes, sure, sir. If I give inputs like 7 as well as 3, and the machine will process, sir, and I am getting the result like addition is 10. Oh, you have given just 2 numbers, machine is doing addition. Oh, good, well and good. That's why computer is an electronic computing device. How that will process, dear student? Sir, because of programs inside. Because of programs inside the computer memory. Oh, very good. You know more. Oh, excellent. Keep it up. Because of programs inside the computer memory, processing takes place, sir. Oh, very good. That is what we call computers, sir. Oh, excellent. Okay, excellent answer. and I ask the same question. Can you for example, I am asking the same question to another student. Dear student, can you tell me what is computer? I am getting different answer from the student E. Student E is telling, student E's answer is interesting. Sir, computer is an electronic computing device, sir. Oh, very good. Next, it receives means it takes raw data, means which is not processed as an input. Then it will process, sir, and gives desired result, sir. Gives desired, whichever I want, gives a desired result as an output. That is what we call computer, sir. Oh, excellent. Student E answer is more appropriate than the whatever student is telling, the same thing told by E, but he has written everything in sentence form. Computer is an electronic computing device, and it takes raw data which is not processed as input. Then it will process it by using computer and gives the desired result as an output. Oh, very good. He or she covered 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Oh my God. This student may get 4 marks because he covered 4 points. I ask one same question to the next student, student F. Dear student F, can you tell me what is computer? Student F is telling like this. Student F answer is same as said by E. Computer is an electronic computing device. It receives raw data as an input, process and gives desired result as an output, and continues. Dear sir, if necessary, input as well as output can be stored in computer's secondary memory. For future use, sir. Oh, very good. That means you can store input as well as output in computer's secondary memory for future use. Oh, very good point covered by this student. I am more happier. Oh, very good, excellent. Means already I hope we save the file, no? We go for file menu, we click on the file, we click on the save, then we go for browse, then we give the file name like our name John, Jasmine, then we click on save. Once you save the file, you can open it as and when needed. This is what the transmission of data from primary memory to secondary memory. Once you save the file inside the memory, you are able to open it as and when needed. That's why you can save the input as well as output where in the computer secondary memory for future use. That is what we call computer, sir. Oh, excellent answer given by this student, student F. Oh, very good, you are very clever. And this student will be the winner. 5 marks he may score. Oh, very good. Next, I ask the same question to next student, G. Oh, he is more clever. What he did, do you know? See the answer. See here. This is the answer given by next student. Sir, first of all, I will tell you that the term computer is derived from the Latin word compute. That means calculate. Oh, excellent. You are so clever. Oh, he is using the words like Latin word, and compute means calculate. Oh, next, a computer is advanced. Oh, adjective. Advanced electronic computing device. It takes raw data as an input from the users and process and generates desired result as an output. If necessary, input and output can be stored in computer secondary memory for future use. And this student has drawn the diagram also. This rectangle is nothing but a computer. It will process as per the given input written programs. We give the input to a computer, sir. Computer will give us the output, sir. And we give the data which is not processed as input, and it gives desired result information. Processed data as an information, and processing takes place because of computer programs inside. Computer program means set of instructions. Computer program means set of instructions to do specific task. And figure number 1, input process output concept. Oh my god, you are very clever. See the answers given by different students. Student A didn't answer, student B answered something, student C improved answer, student D improved answered, student E improved answer, student F improved answer, no diagram. Student G answered all with diagram. Oh my god. Because of these characteristics of students, all the students will get different marks, different management seat, different free seats. Everything depends on this intelligence. I hope you learned something today. Thank you one and all. Just only we discussed what is a computer system. Now come back to my presentation. See the presentation. This is what a computer. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic computing device. It receives raw data as an input, process, and generates desired result as an output. If necessary, input and output can be stored in computer secondary memory. Then all the machines will do how many work? How many points student covered here? Input, process, output, and store. These are the 4 important work. You may work with any computer. All the computers will perform. All the machines will take input. All the machines will process. All the machines will give the output. All the machines will store the data for future use. Means you may work with any of the machines. Hello dear students, sorry for the interruption. Okay, come back. Means I was explaining what is computer. First student has answered no answer at all. What is a computer? That's why the first student is getting no marks at all. That is 0 marks. Second student has answered computer is a device. Oh, little bit improved answer. Okay, computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic computing device. Computer is an electronic computing device. It takes raw data as an input. It will process and gives desired result as an output. Student F is very clever. Student F is telling the answer correctly with the diagram. By looking at all these answers, we have come to one conclusion. All the machines are doing only 4 work. All the computer system will take input from us. All the computer system will process. All the computer system will give us the result. All the computer system can store the input as well as output in computer secondary memory, inside the DVD, inside the hard disk, inside the pen drive for future use, store. That means you may work with any of the computer. You may work with supercomputer or mainframe computer or mini computer or workstation or desktop or laptop or tablet PCs or smartphone like our mobile phone. All these will perform 4 functions. All these will take input from us. All these will process. All these will give us the output. If necessary, input and output can be stored in computer's memory. Yes or no? All these are having the capability to perform 4 functions. There are the 4 tasks or 4 functions. That means all the machines will perform these 4 functions. Now what is a computer? The major 4 functions of a computer system are input, process, output and store. Now the answer is right. For the question, what is a computer? What is a computer? You have to answer like this and draw the diagram, and you can list out below the major 4 functions of any of the computer system are 1 and only 4. Those are input, process, output and store. Oh, very good. And to provide the input to a machine, we use input device, keyboard. Processing takes place because of the processor inside the cabinet, CPU. CPU is there in the motherboard, on the motherboard inside this cabinet. Okay, processing takes place, and output will be displayed on monitor. This is what the input device, this is what the output device, this is what the system unit or processing unit. Speakers are output devices. Keyboard is input device. This is what the wireless internet router, the device whichever we use to transmit the data from one machine to another machine. It shows the route for the data to be transmit. That's why the name is router, which shows the route for the data transmission. Route. Okay, router, wireless internet router, monitor. This is what we call computer. I hope little bit now you have understood what is a computer. Oh, very good. Now you have the capability to answer the question what is computer in Viva Voce also in computer programming lab. If you didn't answer any question asked by the examiner, at the end that examiner may ask you, at least do you know what is computer? Then also you are not giving answer means a problem for you. That's why at least you need to know something to pass the examination. That's why Viva Voce will be there for you in computer programming lab. At the time the examiner will ask you, external examiner who is from other college. Internal examiner is from our college, but you need to concentrate on both the examiners. Sorry, out of syllabus. Come back. I hope you understood. Oh, very good, excellent. Now I continue my today's class. Just only we discussed what is computer. Next one is components of a computer system. Our machine is made up of how many components? Can you tell me? Our machine is made up of how many components? Our machine is made up of n number of components. Not only these, inside this cabinet, n number of components are there. Oh, n number of components, sir. Yes, you can see. For example, see here. Our machine is made up of how many components? Okay, wait. Oh, computer hardware. You can see here, this is what the cabinet system unit. In this unit, this is very important board. Okay, printed circuit board, PCB. Here you find n number of electronic circuits and devices. This is called motherboard or main board. On this main board, n number of components are present. Oh, on this motherboard you can see this rectangle space here. Here we fit this processor. Actually this processor is called as CPU, control processing unit or central processing unit. This is what very important component of our computer system. You can see the inside. Okay, inside the CPU like this. This is what we call i3 processor, i5 processor or i7 processor. CPU means processor. We should not call this cabinet as a CPU. This is a case. Inside this motherboard will be there. On the motherboard this processor will be there like i3, i5, i7. It is responsible for arithmetical and logic unit will be there inside the CPU, control unit and ALU. CU and ALU we find inside the processor. It is responsible for processing the input to give us the result. It is very important, brain of a computer system. We find this one on the motherboard here. On the motherboard you can see different slots here. On the motherboard you can see different slots. Okay, you can see different slots here. Here we insert RAMs, random access memory. Here we insert network interface card and TV tuner card, as I explained in my interaction class. No problem at all. Once again I am explaining to you. You can insert your TV tuner card and you can convert your computer into TV. Okay, connect the TV cable to that TV tuner card and network interface card you can insert here. Connect this machine to other machine. Okay, and here if you 4 GB RAM, this is 4 GB, both together 8 GB RAM. Here 4 GB, here 4 GB. Yeah, okay, I hope you understood. Okay, means our system is made up of n number of components like this. Our system is made up of n number of components, and inside the case we have motherboard, and on the motherboard ROM will be there, read-only memory. You can see this, you can assume it as a read-only memory. Can you see this chip here? I hope you are able to see. Sorry, these are all ROMs, read-only memory. Read-only memory. You cannot alter the data inside it. You cannot change it. Okay, whenever you turn off the machine, then also the instructions are there. Data is there. Data might be there. You can see ROM, read-only memories. But whenever you turn off the machine, nothing will be there inside it. Okay. Okay, no problem. In the next class I explain all these things to you. Don't worry. Just listen to me with concentration. Attend all my classes. See the videos or see all my lecture videos in series. Don't see the videos haphazardly. Okay, thank you. Next, come back. Our system inside the CPU, hard disk will be there. This is what the secondary memory. We go for file menu and we save now. Whenever you save, that will be stored inside this hard drive. This is heat sink. Heat sink means fan. This one we fit on the processor. You have to cool this processor continuously. Otherwise heat generation. Because of heat generation, we won't get correct results. Data we may get wrong results. That's why on the processor this fan we need to fit. Whenever you turn on the machine, cooling requires for it. Heat generation is very dangerous. Our data may spoil. Okay. This is what the secondary memory. This is what the DVD player or CD drive, DVD drive. You can insert the CD here. And this is floppy disk drive. We have to cool it. And power supply, switch mode power supply. We supply main power to this SMPS. Okay, switch mode power supply. And from this device, according to the voltage required by different components, you can see different cables here. We connect. Like this, our system is made up of n number of components. Our system is made up of how many components? N number of components. Our system is made up of n number of components. Our system is made up of n number of components. Components of a computer system. Input unit is there. Output unit is there. And n number of electronic components inside on the motherboard. Just only I have shown you the motherboard. That is what we call computer. Means our system is made up of n number of components. Input unit. Most commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. And system unit, motherboard. On the motherboard is CPU. CPU means processor. Processor means i3, i5, i7. That is what the brain of a computer system. And output unit, monitor. Most commonly used output device is monitor. Other than monitor, can you tell me other output devices? Speaker, output device. Printer, printer is output device. LCD projector is an output device. Oh, very good. All of you are very clever. That is what the components of a computer system. Our system is made up of n number of components, but these are classified or into three functional units like input unit, system unit, and output unit. And whatever I have given in my notes is very less. Now, can you feel it is very less notes? Definitely. You know more than whatever I have written in my notes. Always you know more and present nicely, briefly, with quality points in examination so that you can get very good marks. Thank you. Now see here, components of a computer system. One of the student is answering. A computer consists of various components as integrated system to perform different calculational tasks. These components are mainly classified into following three functional units as follows. Input unit, keyboard and mouse are the most commonly used input and devices to give the input. System device, CPU, is also called as processor. Examples for processors are i3, i5, i7. You can explain, you can add your own points also. That is what your real answer. Don't try to copy like others. Don't copy me, please. Output unit. Monitor is the most commonly used output device to display the result in visual form on the screen. Oh my God. You can make sentences in such a way that you can attract the person who is listening to your answer. That is what we call intelligence. Put the efforts, work hard, read, understand. Whenever you get an platform, represent openly to everybody. At the time, you will be the efficient civil engineer, efficient mechanical engineer, efficient AI and ML engineer. Always be inspired. Read for knowledge. Represent in front of others orally. That is Viva answer. Write on paper, that is oral. You get good marks. Job is waiting for you. Bright future is waiting for you. Thank you. In today's class, we discussed just what is computer and components of computers. In the next lecture video, we discuss applications as well as the features of computer system. In the next lecture video, I teach you features of computer system, why the systems have become so popular, and as well as we discuss applications, how to write programs and everything. I request each and everyone to see my lecture videos in serial manner. I hope you might have watched my lecture number 1. Lecture number 2 is having 2 videos. Because of interruption, I created the lecture number 2 first video, lecture number 2. This is second video. Okay. In the first video, I hope I may attach and I may upload. Don't worry. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Take care. See, wait for the lecture number 3 video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.